Okay, navigation, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to show us the navigation menu?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Did you scratch that out as well? Okay, so where do we access the navigation menu?
We go to view.
We go to the view menu.
Yeah, you see the navigation.
And we click on navigation.
Navigation, then you go to the seats.
Okay, so you can easily see the navigation menu with all the boxes on the right here. Okay, if you want to see the content of the worksheet, you have to collapse this. For example, can you see?
Yeah.
Let me expand it a bit so I can see it. Okay, so this is navigation pane. So it states all the worksheets that are here. Can you see them? All the worksheets that are on this workbook or file. Like I said, this is a new feature that has been added to Excel. So you see, just within a click, you can be able to see all the worksheets